Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today, we're diving into tuples, a fundamental data structure in Python. Tuples are like lists, but with a twist. They are immutable, meaning they can't be changed after creation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work with tuples in Python and unleash their power in your programs. So, let's get started. Let's start by understanding how to create tuples in Python. Creating tuples is straightforward. You simply enclose your elements in a parenthesis. Here's how you can create a tuple. So let's just name our variable my tuple and then enclose it with parentheses 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this example, we've created a tuple called my tuple with 4 elements. Once created, a tuple cannot be modified, hence it's immutable. Despite being immutable, tuples allow us to access their elements just like lists. Let's see how we can do that. So here's how you can access element in a tuple. So just type in print your variable name and then a bracket. Let's say an index would be 0, another one for my tuple, index 2. Now hit on run. So in this example, we're accessing the first and third elements of my tuple. Tuple indexing starts from 0. Now let's demonstrate the immutability of tuples. Let's try to modify the first element of my tuple. So our attempt would be variable my tuple and then the index 0 equals to 10. Then click on run. As you can see, when we try to modify the first element of my tuple, Python raises an error because tuples are immutable. And that's how you work with tuples in Python. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will start incorporating tuples into your projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy coding!